What's up, y'all? We're back again with another video. And you already know the install video on this wig I got. I have put it on first, but it's like the installation of it, okay? Because I was just excited to put a wig on, and I was like, I didn't want to do a video, but it is this wig right here. And if you go on my TikTok, you will see me doing an unboxing of the video, how the hair look when I just got it out of the pack. But this is how it looks now. I have washed it, took all the glue off the lace that I had on there before. This is the 13 by 4. This is what a 13 by 4 should look like. See that? Full lace and a little part in space. That's what you need. I already put two coats of glue on. I'm gonna put 2 more on, and then I'm gonna put the wig on. This one might be a little bit shorter, just because it's like a quick install video. Well, a installation of this. So yeah. Time to dry, I'm just gonna put some more makeup on the lace of this. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna put the wig on. Don't mind me if you see me looking in the mirror. It just looks a little bit better than me looking in the camera. So this line on the sides. When I mean side, I mean wherever it aligns with your ear, okay? Make sure it's still on top, okay. Obviously, where you need to be cut up a little bit, you can see it is like a bit wasted. I don't think like I'm gonna get the scissors and cut. Please watch your ear, don't cut yourself. Don't have it to me and wait till it dries, okay? Push it behind your ear. Hold on. Maybe cut a little bit. You know, don't want the waist to be showing. That's not the child. You know, cause I believe I broke my hot car. How am I gonna do this? I don't know. But we can finesse it. As I always do. Thinking if I should do like a really quick. My face is coming together. There it is. But these bumps stay coming up on the mention. Yeah. If anybody out there have any recommendations for my face, like any facial stuff I can use to get rid of like blackheads, black spots, those are the things, please comment below. I will take the suggestions. So everything I use so far, yeah, it helps a little bit, but then if I quit, come back. That's what I don't want. So right now, all I'm doing is gonna look around the wig and like patching up whatever it out. Needing more glue. It didn't go down as I wanted to. Just like most likely under where the edges are. Okay. Check. A little patch right there. I'm gonna use the back of this and kind of press the lace into the glue. That's the parts that I have patched up. I'm gonna need a little more glue. Right there. And right here. Okay. So yeah, how that look? I'm about to go back in with some makeup, like around the edges, just to get that like tinted part out. Just a little tap. And just tap around the edges. You can always clean that residue off after you. So don't worry about it. Ain't nothing that major. But get on to that. Okay, let me just take back out where I had the edges the last time, which is right there. That is like the best and worst thing I'm gonna do on install, because now you already know where you had to take the edges out before. It's more easier for you to handle the wig once you know that. Ooh. Right here. I'm gonna just look thicker than that side. Y'all see it? Look thicker, don't it? I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down. Like two little things in the front, which I think, that's all I can do without a fucking hot comb. Alright. Melting spray. This shit work on this. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Well, let me get my blow dry, because I have to blow dry this in, because you can't. When you spray it on there, don't bend it at the same time. Because trust me, when you take that band off, it ain't gonna look pretty. You have to learn how to actually use this thing. So this thing right here is ridiculous. Okay? I mean, you only need slightly amounts, a little bit of amounts. Let me get my blow dry real quick. I'll be right back. Let me pull the edges back out one more time. Edges, 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 It is. I did a little bit of extra because I had to cut. Ooh, there we go. Y'all comment below if y'all get your wigs, y'all cut these out of it. I feel like when you cut these out, like the 3 that's at the top, you have like a more flatter install. Like when you hot comb it, it just looks way more flatter to me. So I start taking them out because it just gives me a better install. Like especially when I'm hot combing it, it's just more flatter and it doesn't make my head hurt. That's the one major reason I take it out. It doesn't make my head hurt. I'm gonna do the half down. What I usually do is just take a little bit on the sides first. I left it like a little bit, but that amount. Make sure it's the same thing on each side. Okay. Once I do that, I'll get the back. So I'll need that amount, I guess. Take out the amount to your likings. Okay? You don't have to do what somebody else does. This is that. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm so good. I could have got it. My hair was tired. My hair was so tired. Give me this on the top. It was so funny when I'm gonna finally go get that spray after I've been seeing it on TikTok and all that extra stuff. It was the last one there. It was some girl there that was looking for it too. And as I was about to cash out, she came to the counter. She said, this is the only one you guys got. I'm looking like, I'm like thinking, girl, I got there before she done got it, and I'm just was in there. Alright. Okay. Let me come the back out. I will put the link to this wig in the bio, just in case anybody wants it. It's a pretty good wig. Every other deep wave or kinky wave I bought for like one wash or so, it's like the hair is not how I bought it before. I'm gonna put a little water in this a little bit. I don't remember the price, how much I paid for it. But when I link it in the bio, I will make sure I put it so you guys know the price. But I'm pretty sure it wasn't more than $8. To be exact, it wasn't more than $8. As I said before, none of my wigs that I bought were more than $200. And they were all from Amazon, and they were all good quality wigs. Literally just threw some on it. I know I had for like a minute now because I needed a space, so I threw them out. The reason I bought it with top is like much preference. I don't even have that little puffy look to it. The top part. Yeah, just like that. What y'all think so? Y'all see the back? See that? Well, how's your y'all bounce? Alright, let's take this off. Let's get a good look at them edges. Look at that. Ugh. I'm trying to get these up into the wig. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna be using some of this to hold my edges down because I left my regular Eco gel at my boyfriend's house and I'm not going out the door. Okay. And I will be introducing him to the channel also. Just not right now though. So y'all gotta wait a little bit. You gotta wait a little bit. A little bit. Those are my edges. I forgot to plug it in a little bit earlier, but this one heats up quickly, so ain't no problem. If that heats up, I'm gonna clean up. And I'm back to do the edges. So just brush them out. This is the final look. Let me know how I did. Let me give you like a little close up. You can fix this light a little bit. Can I hear melted? Melted. Just do that. Oh my god, this really came out cute. I didn't know it was gonna come out this cute. Yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Any suggestions you guys have, drop them down in the comments. I'll catch y'all